we're here at the MasterCard booth at Carts, and right now I'm going to speak to James Anderson, who is head of all things mobile here at MasterCard. So whenever anyone starts a conversation about mobile banking and mobile payments, the conversation obviously turns to NFC. So I wanted to see if you could bring out your crystal ball a bit and tell us what you and MasterCard envision as the future of NFC.
Yeah, so it's fantastic actually. This year at CART, many people have said that it shouldn't be called CART, it should actually just be called Mobile, because it's all about NFC this year, so it's very exciting. I think what we're seeing is we've gone from a period of time when we were talking about how to make it happen and when, and now we're talking about how do we scale it up and how do we get consumer adoption. So it's a very exciting period of time. I think what we see happening is that the initial commercial deployments that we've done in 2011, all the people are very excited by the results and they want to take it to the next level. So MasterCard's going to be helping those partners who've got us here to take it to the next level, and then we're going to be taking the learnings from those initial deployments and taking them to other banks and consumer markets and really taking it to the next level and getting more and more people involved. So I think the future is the existing deployments, they're going to scale up, and also there's going to be a lot more people getting involved in 2011 and 2012, going into 2012, who will see the opportunity and want to get involved.
It seems like in some of these conversations, people fail to mention the role of the merchant in mobile payments. So what do some of the merchants need to do to drive NFC adoption?
Yeah, so I think one of the challenges of technology is people sometimes focus on the technology because sometimes it's hard. It takes a while, you've got to invest in the technology and understand it. But at the end of the day, it's about applications and it's about people using the technology. And so we've consciously tried to figure out what's in it for the consumer, what's in it for the merchant, and how does everybody come away with a win. And I think if you look at the programs we've done in the US with partners like Google, they've also invested time and money in figuring out what the merchants want. And they've had a tremendously strong response to their programs involving coupons and loyalty, because those are applications that the merchants want to promote to their consumers, and they see a way to do it using NFC technology and integrating with payments. So the merchant is very much in the picture now for MasterCard and for our partners, and I think that just is really going to drive the adoption of the service and of contactless when some merchants see what's in it for them, and they get very excited.
So you've mentioned this is the year of NFC. So again, I'm asking you to bring out your crystal ball one more time and tell us what's going to be the next big thing for mobile.
Yeah, so obviously I'm the mobile product development guy, so it's always going to be about mobile. I think what I see happening is people leveraging the mobile to really reinvent the consumer purchase and shopping experience. So it's going to be about a lot more than just payments. It's going to be about where does mobile play a role in finding the consumer, where does mobile play a role in the consumer experience in-store and online, and then how does mobile payments fit in? So we see a development at MasterCard, we see a development of a mobile-centric shopping experience as being the next big thing, and of course at the end of the day, enabled by mobile pay pass to do the payment piece.